Blockstar is a mobile, peer-to-peer, fiat payment system, working on a secure blockchain platform, shared by participating banks. Notice that the blockchain digitizes fiat payments, and not cryptocurrency nor tokens. The fact that all banks share the same blockchain makes it an interoperable system. Digital wallets are recharged directly from the user's bank account or from their debit or credit card. This facilitates the conversion of fiat to digital currencies and vice versa. The system meets KYC, AML compliance and privacy law regulations. The objectives of the system are, first, to achieve greater interoperability and security, decrease cost per transaction and decrease cash use, thus, increase the general economic efficiency. Second, promote financial inclusion of the unbanked through easy mobile enrollment. Third, facilitate compliance administration with easy-to-use KYC, AML features, and comply with confidentiality regulations. The system includes applications to help management of compliance regulations. The system offers first, instant money transfers between accounts of the participating banks, RTGS. Second, it offers peer-to-peer wallet payments using QR technology and mobile approximation, NFC. Third, the system offers instant settlement of fees and taxes applied by the banks, the operator, and the government on each commercial transaction. As a solution, the system uses a private blockchain to integrate all banks in a single shared platform. Hyperledger is a private and permissioned blockchain that uses an energy-efficient consensus algorithm. The system is a fast and scalable solution. Completes each transaction in approximately 5 seconds, and processes more than 2,000 transactions per second. The system has easy-to-use but powerful Apple and Android apps that are easy to customize. The architecture of the system consists of a central blockchain that links all participating banks through what is known as a payment gateway. However, each bank remains independent from the other banks, residing in its own domain where it keeps confidential its customers' private information. Note: the participating banks have to use the ISO 20022 communication standard. An important note about confidentiality: the blockchain does not store personally identifiable information in the ledger, only stores the wallet IDs. The confidential, personally identifiable information of each user is stored in a separate database in the bank's own domain. Only the bank can link the wallet ID on the ledger with the personally identifiable information of its clients. The cross-border payments work as follows. Each fiat currency function in its own blockchain. When there is a cross-border transaction, for example, between the US and Japan, the system detects that the transaction has different currencies on each end and sends the transaction first to a dedicated exchange that features foreign exchange data feeds. The payer then sells its dollars and instantly buys the yens, paying the difference between the market ask minus bid plus a small commission. The system then redirects the transaction to the destination blockchain through a relay chain that works very fast, in parallel. Ideally, the brokers of the system are the central banks that control each fiat currency blockchain. In case that is not possible, a reputable bank can act as a broker. The Know Your Customer function is easy to use. First, the customer scans a physical document with his picture. Then the system uses active face recognition to verify the image and uses a trustworthy government and other sources to verify and perform the due diligence from the extracted information. One of the interesting features of the system is self-sovereign identity using decentralized identities or DIDs stored in the blockchain. The idea is to give the final users control of their information. When a user issues a document, it is uploaded to the bank, then converted into a hash code. Then through the platform gateway, it is stored immutably and securely in the blockchain. Any other counterparty can verify the validity of the document without any other intermediaries. This permits the creation of an ecosystem in which the government, corporations, and individuals can create all sorts of credentials useful in logistics, intelligent contracts, foolproof voting systems, etc. In the business model, everybody participates. Banks, on each side of a payment transaction, will charge a fee on commercial and e-commerce transactions. Since the blockchain works autonomously with a low operating cost, the fees can be very competitive and attractive for merchants. Governments may receive an instant settlement of the taxes generated on commercial transactions. The operating corporation in charge of hosting the physical or in the cloud nodes, communications, maintenance, and security will charge a fee on each commercial and e-commerce transaction. Thank you very much for your attention.